This is a song that there's a lot of Christmas songs out there, and not too many Hanukkah songs. So wrote a song for all those nice little Jewish kids who don't get to hear any Hanukkah songs. Here we go. Here comes Hanukkah, so much Hanukkah to celebrate Hanukkah. Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike in the MOJO Day Trade Room. Happy Hanukkah, everybody. Appropriate times, Adam Sandler, good tune. It's December 8th, it's Tuesday. Let me show you what we've done in the MOJO Day Trade Room. Cranking it for today. So we have right here, we're in UWTI, heading back through $5. We just bought right here. That's the trade we're currently in. And we traded JNUG as well. JNUG really, really nice. Right up here to 32.28 from $31. Made $1 in that one. We have a couple other really, really nice picks that I'll go over with you in the MOJO Day Trade Room. UWTI. Gonna sell it back at 5+ in that range. Make some more money on that one. Twitter we bought from 23.99, 23.98, and sold 24.09, 19 and 29. It did go higher, but we sold it flat. eBay 29.04, same thing. eBay through Hines 29, started selling there. Then we have JNUG. We're going to start rail grinding it right through $32. We own JNUG right here at 31.77 is number 2. And that's what we have that one, 31.77, and we sold, added 31.30, 31.40, holding 31.75, selling above 32. I'll share with you all the signal on JNUG. Let me show you. So here's the sequence on JNUG. So right here, you have the first one where we sold right here at 32.09. And then right here, I called the final sales. This is what I teach in MOJO University. It's called a Magic Highway setup. And in the Magic Highway, the stock goes lower. So we sold there, and the stock hit 32.05, 31.95, 31.85, 31.77, 31.69, 31.55. Great job. Right when it hit right here, this is called the Magic Highway right there. This is called Death Valley. And it's a buy right there. So I teach this in MOJO University, and that's how we read the level 2. So this was bought here, sold here, rebought back here, gonna sell it up there. That's how we rock and roll. Show you another great trade we did on UWTI. UWTI, we got it at 474 to 475. We're out of it here. Let me show you the first one. UWTI 472, adding at 475. It's going to go positive, tracking it down 10. UWTI out, great trade at 485 plus, sold into the high of 489. Then we bought it back from 489 at 475 because it went to 489. Added at small at 473, sold 478 and 484. Have 500 left, trailing it at 77. UWTI flat. Then we traded Twitter through 24 and sold 24, 19, and 9 and 19. Right there. We have, what else did we trade today? We traded Smith & Wesson from the beginning. Didn't really make a nice move, but it was good for today. We traded Smith & Wesson. It was one of the first trades of the day. Average 21.14. Smith & Wesson trend trade. We're going to average 21.14. Sold 21.40. Moved up too quick. High 45. High 45. Then we traded UWTI. Look at the chart on UWTI. We traded from here, 474 to 522. Beautiful move. So right here is the rest of the UWTI is going to go positive. Here we have it at 472. Adding here 474, 475, and now it's going to go through $5 right here. UWTI 499 to 504. We do it again, 495, 496, and we're in it right now. It's 495. Right here, it's where we own it, 493, 494, 495. Could have rail grinded it a little bit better. I journaled it for patience. Now let me go over some of the swings. So that's what we've done in the Mojo Day Trade room. And as far as people making money, do I have the poll for today? Let's see here. Here's earlier at 10 a.m. We had 63% of the room make money, 1 to 5% on their account. We had 6% of the room make 2 times their goal, and everyone else paper trading 21% made money in the room today. Real nice. So it's Hanukkah time. We do a lot of good things in the Mojo room for the traders and the business that we have. I got a gift from one of my traders, so I'm going to open it. I can give you a hint. Titleist. Without a Christmas tree. Here's a list of people who are Jewish, just like you and me. David Lee Roth lights the menorah. So do James Kirk Douglas and the late Dinah Shora. Guess who eats together at the Titleist Pro V1 day? 2 does. From Shanana and Arthur Fonzarelli. Let's see if they're personalized. Monuments half Jewish. Goldie Hawn's it says, put them Pro Trader Mike what a fine looking Jew. Has balls. Awesome. Pro Trader Mike, Mojo has balls. That's awesome. Thank you guys. Nice. Thank you so much. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome. 2 does. Pro Trader Mike, Mojo has some balls. I like that. That's because I do the right thing for the room and the traders, and we all make the money. Sweet. Thank you. Thank you. Back to the stocks. Woo. Let me show you some other ones. So now on the swing side, OxySure is doing nice today, up 17% on 362,000. Looking good for a breakout on OxySure. Now we have Varingo. Let me show you what's going on with Varingo. Varingo's my new pick. So here's my research that went into Varingo. So here's Varingo right here. And today it made a little line down here. So this is AEZS, and it did its 1 for 10 reverse split. Every one of these stocks has done a 1 for 10 reverse split. And this one took straight off from $2.50 to $15. Then this one, LVFN, did its split, came down again, and then it took off, which is like came down and came down again. Then this one did its 1 for 10 reverse split, and it just came down a little bit, flagled, went up a little bit, came down a little bit, and then stayed the same. And all of a sudden, once that volume bar came in, the stock wound up going up 400%. So am I going to say Varingo is going to go up like these things 400%? I have no idea, but is it possible? Absolutely 100%.
Yes.
Yes. That's why I'm going in on it, baby. The research. Let me show you what else is going on. Right now, this guy right here, Mark Cuban, is going through some patent issues right now. It seems that he's going to be maybe coming out with some press against Walmart. The hoverboard, that board with the, the two wheels, the hoverboard, he owns the patent on that. And it's like the biggest Christmas gift ever right here. And they're in violation of his patents. He's going to be going after them for some big dollars. Right here, threatening comments, news out towards Walmart. So it's threatening the retail giant with patent infringement lawsuit of his own. Can you imagine if Mark Cuban comes out with his lawsuit against that? He also owns 7.4% stake in Varingo. He talks about Varingo in that article. In another article, patent software right here with Varingo and Mark Cuban. He has an investment stake in Varingo. With so much debate. All great information about Mark Cuban. Patent debate right now going on IP Watchdog, and every single one of these posts he's talking about his position in Varingo. Okay, Varingo actually has done some private offerings. They raised 24 million, then 42 million because of the lawsuit against Google, which was supposed to be a $250 million per year judgment. Being a brilliant businessman, there must have been something attracting Cuban to Varingo other than his Facebook integrated visual ringtone app. That's what Varingo has. Cuban has a huge position in Facebook, especially considered the fateful day in February reported to the U.S. that he owns that he increased the number of his shares from 1 million to 1.13 million. So he's an owner. You saw what happened to WTW when Oprah said she liked that and got involved. WTW stock went from right here doing a little nothing to a little something, and then caroused. So here's Varingo right now. And here's the chart pattern. It's the same thing. So it's done its reverse split. It's flagling right here. It's already been to 287 today on 300,000. And the dust settles and clears, and you got yourself a winner. 3 years ago when I started in this business, Ameren right here was $12. And it was the golden child. Everyone loved Ameren. Everyone loved Ameren. Well, Ameren went to $1, and I bought it right down here at $1, undervalued, and the stock went to 333 and tripled. This is the same sort of undervalued, priced-in scenario that I have right now on my new company that I'm holding more longer term to go to $6 when it does, which is Varingo. Okay, we have Vigil. Vigil just came out with a press release that an insider bought 8.7 million shares of the stock. Well, you don't buy 8.7 million shares of the stock without it doing something. Here's the article on that. Let me see if I have it right here. I had it in my email. Here it is, I think. Well, I had it in my email. You can read it. It's a press release. It's there. Then we have some other ones. We have IntelliCheck Mobilisa, a quarter position. We've already taken a profit right there. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. This is the weekly. It was right here into 118. Then we have, what else do we have? We took a profit on that one yesterday. We have MAGS, M-A-G-S, We sold up into here. I'm looking for a reversal back up into MAGs right now. I like MAGs. We have CVSL, retail mail order direct right here. Looking for a stock to move up towards that. 178. What's it at today? It's up 2.2%, 89,000. 136 by 37, already been to 45. Looks nice. Mojo has this in the swing. Already sold a little bit of it at 128. So we were up 13.2% as of this morning into the stock, and some of it was sold on CVSL. CVSL was, I think, the number 2 pick Sunday night. Let's check it out. CVSL was the number 1 pick in the Swing Trade newsletter, I think. Here's the newsletter that went out Sunday night. Here's my comic. Gee, Pat, I don't have a clue. Answer seems to be obvious. Best day trade room. Can I buy a vowel? MOJO Day Trading. Come on, man, mister. You got the A, so obvious. So the top 3 picks is CVSL right here. That's the number 1 pick. NLST is number 2, and MAGS is number 3. NLST is right here. It's flat at 92. It's already been up yesterday to $1. So that one looks real nice. And they're all just doing really nice. So that's what we got in the Mojo swing. NLST, we own at 94 cents. So we own SPCB. Made a move yesterday. We sold it from 477 to 490. It was triggered. We sold it as high as $5. It went to 499. SPCB yesterday. Where is that one? It went to $5. There you go, $5. I'm surprised it doesn't show. Oh, that's right. And that's pretty much it. So that's what we got on the swing side. There are some other ones that are on the watch list that haven't been cranked in yet. And when they do, we'll appropriately take care of them. They are NSCC, NAPCO Security, Homeland Security stock. We have that one, looking for a breakout. We have MOC, Command Security Corp, looking for a breakout, Homeland Security. VII, Homeland Security, we already traded it up to here, 255, waiting for a move back up, only on a trigger. And EVLV and Vine Live, Homeland Security. That's pretty much. Lake, we have that one, Homeland Security. DGLY, Homeland Security. VSR, Homeland Security. ASEI, Homeland Security. All these stocks doing real nice. IDSY, we have that one, Homeland Security. We owned it at 380. Stocks at 448 yesterday. Fortinet, same thing. Made a nice move right here on the Homeland Security. We're going to make another move back up. And that's pretty much it. Viggle's got a little bit of wiggle at 48. It's been to 50. And otherwise, we're done for the day. We have a little bit of Etsy as well. It's at 949, 950. Etsy's going to make a move back up. And that's a good update for today. Thank you for the golf balls and for the Hanukkah gift. I like it. Thank you.
Okay. This is a song that there's a lot of Christmas.
A lot of Christmas.
Lights the menorah. So do James Conn, Kirk Douglas, and the late Dinah Shore.
I like it. Great. So everybody, thank you so much. That's what we did in the MOJO Day Trade room today. Nice video update. On Thursday and Friday, we're having a Christmas party. Anybody is allowed to come. I already got an email. How much is the Christmas party? It's free, everybody. So go to MOJO Day Trading. Go right here to Free Pass. And come join a Christmas party. Thursday, December 10th and Friday the 11th. 2 days, not just one day. And come join the festivities and trading in the day trade room right from the open. The room opens at 9 o'clock. Just put your name, your email address, and your Twitter handle in here, and you will get a free pass. And thank you so much. I look forward to having you at the party. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Everybody keep it profitable and peace.
Guess who eats together at the Carnegie Deli? Bowser from Shanana.